Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove highlight tab in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here some data are highlighted. Now we want to remove the highlighted tab. At first, select this cell, then go to the home menu and click the highlight fill color drop down menu. Choose no fill. Now we can see we remove this easily. Now I am select another and delete one by one. Otherwise you can delete at once. Firstly select a cell, then press and hold the shift and select multiple cell. Click the fill color drop down menu, choose no fill. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.